Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to discuss the material of English grammar lesson on intermediate English grammar level. The first presentation will be presented by me. My name is Nabilah Raniana Daramadani with student ID number 193200175. And the second presentation will be presented by Vinsa Aurelia Iza with student ID number 193201111. So, let's start to discuss. Now, we are going to explain you about negation and related phenomena. In discussion, we will explain you two topics only. So, let's start to discuss to the first topic about negative and positive clauses. Negative and positive clauses. Negation is marked by individual words such as not, no, never, or by affixes within a word such as not, and none. Let's see the example. In positive clause, in A, he has signed the agreement, and in negative clause, in B, he has not signed the agreement. So, the grammatical system in which positive and negative contracts is called polarity. Clause in example A has positive polarity, while in example B has negative polarity. Here are the three major differences. Addition of not even. After a negative clause, we can add a constituent introduced by not even, and it makes sense. This is not possible with positive clauses. Let's see the example. 1. Positive clause. I have read your book, not even the introduction. 2. Negative clause. I haven't read your book, not even the introduction. I have read your book, it is positive clause, and so it does not the word not even. While the example sentence, I haven't read your book, it is negative clause. So, in conclusion, in 2 is interpreted as I haven't even read the introduction. The not is not obligatory, but the crucial point is that it can occur in the negative clause in example 2, but is impossible in the positive clause in example 1. The connective adjunct so and neither or nor. When we add a related clause of the same polarity, the positive pair may be linked by so, the negative pair by neither or nor. Let's see the example. 1. Positive clause. I have read your book, and so have many students. And 2. Negative clause. I haven't read your book, and neither have many students. So, I have read your book, it is positive clause, and so is a connective adjunct for positive clause. And in B, neither is a connective adjunct for negative clause, because I haven't read your book is a negative clause. Confirmatory text. It generally consists of just an auxiliary verb or can be defined as a half verb like dummy do, or does, to be, was, were, are, should, could, might, can, either is negative clause, plus personal pronoun subject. Let's see the example. 1. Positive clause plus negative tag. They have read my book, haven't they? And 2. Negative clause plus positive tag. They haven't read my book, have they? So, from the example, we have known this clause will be rejected by many speakers of standard English because haven't they is a negative tag, is acceptable on positive clause, not on negative clause.
Okay, the second is subclausal negation. We have seen that the effect of a negative element is very often to make the clause containing it negative. Negative elements don't always have this effect, however. In these cases where they don't, the negation is subclausal. So, in subclausal negation, the clause doesn't contain negative. Affixal negation. The most obvious case where negative elements don't make a clause negative is where the negative element is an affix other than the not that appears on auxiliary verbs. Take negative prefixes as in dislike, inattentive, non-reasonable, or unwilling, and suffixes such as less in homeless. We can use the construction shown in example 2 until 4 to show that these affixes don't make the whole clause negative. Compare, for example, he was unkind, which contained the prefix un, with he wasn't kind, which contains a negative verb from. He wasn't kind is, of course, negative, but he was unkind is positive. So let's see the example. In subclausal negation, 1a, he was unkind, not even to me. In clausal negation, b, he wasn't kind, not even to me. 2a, he was unkind and so was Sue. b, he wasn't kind and neither was Sue. 3a, he was unkind, wasn't he? b, he wasn't kind, was he? So, he wasn't kind behaves just like the earlier I haven't read your book. It accepts not even, takes neither or nor as connective adjunct, and selects a positive confirmation tag, was he. But he was unkind, by contrast, behaves like obviously positive. I have read your book. It doesn't accept not even, it does take so as connective adjunct, and it select a negative tag, wasn't he. We call the negation in he was unkind subclausal because it works below the level of the clause. Notice that there is semantic difference between he was unkind and he wasn't kind. If he wasn't kind is false, then he was kind must be true. Okay? But if he was unkind is false, it doesn't follow that he was kind is true. No, he could be neutral, neither kind or nor unkind. Other cases of subclausal negation. Let's see the example. In subclausal negation, 1a, she works for nothing. In clausal negation, b, she's interested in nothing. 2a, it was no mean achievement. B. It was no great deal. 3A. This is a not uncommon mistake. B. This is not an uncommon mistake. 4A. Not surprisingly, he complained. B. Surprisingly, he did not complain. The test differentiates clearly between the A and B examples. The right confirmation text for 1A would be doesn't see because works is verb, while the one for 1B would be is see because he is. Nothing and no generally mark causal negation. In 1A and 2A, we have exceptional cases where they don't. The contrast in 3 is due to the fact that not in A is in an attributive modifier in NP structure, not uncommon, whereas in B, the not is modifying the verb is. In 4A, not modifiers surprisingly. In bahasa, tidak heran, dia mengeluh. So not modifier surprisingly. And the main predication is positive. He complained, which wasn't surprising. In 4B, by contrast, the negation applies to complaint. In bahasa, anehnya, dia tidak mengeluh. So not modifier complained. And the main predication is negative. He did not complain, which was surprising. Our material is finished. We hope you get that points. If you have any question, please post your questions in the discussion group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.